What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers with me, those two gamers.
And hello, I am watching him play Subway Surfers. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Just don't. I already played. I didn't play
Okay.
that. I don't know what.
Okay, let's
This is your account.
start. 3, 2,
Go, go,
1, start. By the way, if I die once, then the video ends. Let's go. Let's hope that I'm not terribly sucky at this game. It's a very easy game, but the more you go, the harder the levels get. Nice, nice. Nice. If you tell in this time, I will enable the comments. So guys, just tell me if you want to know any other games for me to play. Any free games, maybe popular games like Among Us, Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite even maybe. And especially with that one gamer. He's been a lot helpful, and I'm just very happy with you guys. Okay. Let's see this. I got another medal. Nice, nice, nice. You guys think I can win? Whoa! No! You know I'm gonna watch an ad. Okay, guys. Wow. I had to use an ad there because you don't want the video to be this short, you guys. Huh. Maybe. Yeah, by the way, I did come back to life after dying, but I used an ad.
Okay. Thank God you didn't want to waste your keys.
Yeah. I'm gonna use them when trying to get a very big high score.
Yeah, but probably not in this video.
Yeah, maybe some other video.
Yeah.
I'm about to win, man.
Wait, how good are your high score?
Oh my god, I am almost 35,000.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
That's not even close to my high score. Like, but still, that's really good for a person that hasn't played Subway Surfers in a long time.
Yep. Last time I played Subway Surfers, it was a few years ago. Yeah. Oh my god. What is this music? What is this new music?
Has everybody forgot about this game, by the way?
Probably.
This game
Meow.
is so old now.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
It's
Meow.
as old
Meow.
as 888 billion. It's older than Roblox, older than Minecraft, older than
What is Mooncraft?
and it's older than all of those.
I'm gonna add. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're back online. Whoa!
Oh yeah, we do shower thoughts in Subway Surfers. Since
No,
I'm doing this.
stop doing.
I'm gonna do horrible shower thoughts that you should never ever think of, or your life will feel like it's broken.
Like
One
what?
second, let me search up on Google. 1 second, I need my phone.
Oh, I got 5 medals. Nice. I need more.
Why are the snack donut holes called donut holes? Because people say they're the holes of donuts, but that's like digging up a hole, and the pile of dirt that's on the floor, you could just call that the hole. I killed him. So yeah, that was an
I'm
amazing
back.
shower thought.
Back again.
And now I'm gonna go think of another one.
What, you're not gonna use your phone, mate? Oh my god. Oh my actual god. Okay, we're starting again.
Okay, so I got my phone. I'm gonna check what comes on Google when you first search up shower thoughts.
Meow.
Okay. I am in love with shower thoughts.
Okay, this is the last ad.
That was
for-
an amazing shower thought. Have you guys ever thought of that?
I never. Okay.
Like, are you in love with the shower? You guys have obviously.
I am in love with the washroom. It's my favorite place of all time.
I'm serious.
Okay.
Not joking. Okay, adios.
It's
amigos.
dead. We
Adios.
died.
amigos.
I love this, everyone. Bye bye.
Wait,
Adios, everyone.
Adios.
Adios.